Hello, nandito kami ngayon sa Kamay ni Jesus. So maglalakad-lakad muna ako dito. At titingnan natin yung mga iba-ibang imahin. Imahin ni Lady of Guadalupe. This is Lady of Guadalupe. And the Mother of Perpetual Health. Mother of Perpetual Health. And then this is Our Lady of the Most Holy Rosary. And it's the same. Okay. And the Santo Niño is over there. As on the top there is the Kamay ni Jesus. On the top, so I need to climb up there later. So nagpa-fly muna ng drone para makita itong magagandang views dito. At ang aking hubby nagpapalipad ng drone. Hi! 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 So, ito siya. Nagpapalipad siya ng drone.